here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys 3 easy steps on what you can do as a kid to stop somebody from making fun of you. But I need a volunteer. Can I have a volunteer, please? Come on up, ma'am. What's your name? Kayla. Kayla? Let's give her a round of applause real quick. Kayla's gonna stand right here in front of me. Okay, Kayla, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put this mic a little bit closer just so people can hear you too. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right, much better. All right, so Kayla, you're gonna be my bully today.
Okay.
But you're not a bully in real life, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So Kayla, you're gonna make fun of my shirt, and I want you to say, ew, your shirt's really ugly. Okay? Be super mean, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do one strategy which is called agree. Can you guys say agree?
Agree.
So I'm gonna agree with the bully. So Kayla, can you please make fun of my shirt?
I don't like your shirt.
You know what? You're right. This shirt, it is pretty ugly. I'm glad you don't like it.
Okay.
So by doing that, I'm kind of turning the situation into a joke. So I'm de-escalating the situation. Kayla, now we're gonna make fun of my shirt again, but now I'm gonna use another strategy called blame it on the parents. Can you guys say blame it on the parents?
Blame it on the parents.
This one's a funny one, so we're gonna try it out. So Kayla, please make fun of my shirt again.
Your shirt looks weird.
You know what? My mom, she made me wear this shirt today. You know parents, right?
Yes.
Raise your hand if your mom or dad ever made you wear something you didn't want to wear. Thank you very much. Put down your hands. But this is where mom and dad don't mind if you use them as a shield. They want you to protect yourself. Last one. Everyone say be direct.
Be direct.
So I want you to think of a beast thing. So Kayla, can you please make fun of my shirt one more time?
Your shirt is weird. It has a tiny panda on it.
You know what, Kayla? Why did you say that to me? I mean, are you having a bad day? Let's talk about it real quick.
I'm
I want to make
hungry.
things better. Let's give her a round of applause. Good job, Kayla. Thank you so much. Good job.